I'm a Microsoft MVP in PowerPoint from Japan. This is a Japanese bullet train. Can you create a rectangle that matches this computer screen? First, let's try using a parallelogram. I tried changing the size and angle, but it didn't work. Maybe a trapezoid will work. It seems like it might work. But it didn't work. Now, I'll show you an easy way to create it. Select Freeform from Lines. Click the corners of the computer screen. Many people make this mistake. Click, not drag. Now we have a shape that matches the computer screen. Cut this shape. This is a video of a Shinkansen departing. Let's play it. Paste the shape onto the video. First select the video, then select the shape. Because I thought merge shapes might work. But this is not between shapes. So the feature is not available. Then I had an idea. Select more commands from the Quick Access toolbar. Show all commands. Look for merge shapes. It may be under the letter M. There are many commands here. This is hard to imagine in browser-based tools like Canva. Merge shapes is here. Now add it. Merge shapes has been added to the Quick Access toolbar. Right now, it is disabled. Just like before, select the video first, then select the shape. Merge shapes is now active. Select Intersect. The video now matches the shape. Cut the video. Paste it onto the screen. View it in slideshow. This is how to fit a video into a shape. That's all. Thank you for watching.